It's Yusuf here. Today we're going to be talking about why we are using Discord and how we are going to be using Discord in our batch. So first of all, once you enter, you're in a waiting room, and this waiting room will be available for you up to 24 hours until we give you permissions to keep our server secure from fraud or scams. Unfortunately, you're not able to send any message to the server. If you want to send any message to someone, just click on their name and not this note, but there will be a message part right below here. Just send them the message and then we will reply you back as soon as possible. So once you enter the server, you will be prompted with this screen. So in this screen, we are seeing text groups, study rooms, and a bunch of channels. So first of all, general chat. This general chat will be available for you while you're doing the lessons, live lessons. You're going to be talking with your teacher or your friends live in this channel mainly. Announcements channel. This will be the channel that will be by meaning teachers, mentors, and managers are doing the announcements about the classes or anything else throughout the course. Saturday Project class will be the channel that we're going to be using to share the Saturday projects with you guys. Technical questions channel. So in this technical questions channel, you're going to be asking only the technical questions that you have in your mind. It can be code or it can be anything else about technical. If you have any other questions, you can just DM us, direct message us, or just write in a general chat. Homeworks. Homeworks channel will be the channel that we're going to be sharing the homeworks links with you guys so that you guys will be able to do your homeworks through here. Resources channel. So resources channel will be the channel where teacher and mentors will be sharing their resources for you to practice and get better. Book appointment channel. So in this channel, throughout the course, teacher will give you some dates for you to book an appointment for him 1v1, and then you will be asking any questions you have or any doubts you have about the course or any improvements that we can make about the course. Water cooler channel. So water cooler channel will be the channel that you're going to be sharing funny memes about technology throughout the course to make you guys happy. Study rooms. So right now we have 3 study rooms, which may be more in the future. So we have 3 text study rooms and 3 voice study rooms, which means you can send files to here or text here, but in the voice channel you can click by join by clicking, and then you can share your screen or you can share your video. In fact, let's do it together. So we click on screen and then we choose entire screen and then we choose here and then we say go live. So this will be really useful for you when you have a problem, you need our help. You will be sharing your screen with us through Discord so that we can help you with your problem. Or during Saturday projects, when you get it with your groups, you're going to be sharing your screen to do the project all together at once. Talking about Saturday projects, you will be prompted with a group. Right now, I set myself for group 1, and I have a group 1 text channel and group 1 voice channel. So in this group 1 text channel, you can connect with your friends, talk about your problems, or wherever you're stuck in your homeworks or Saturday projects. And the group 1 voice channel, you're going to be joining here while you're doing the Saturday project with all of your friends, and then you will be sharing your screen, as I said before, and doing your work together. That's it for today. Thank you for listening, and have a great